Hello guys, it's your girl Tamwa here at Tamwa87, your space for my female entrepreneurs who want to grow their social media, who want to grow their brand, their business, and all of those nice things. Yeah, this is your space. We are going to be continuing in our series, our YouTube beginners series. Like this video if you are interested in hearing more about growing on YouTube, and share it with somebody who you know would love to see it also. And another thing, subscribe if these are the kind of content that you like, if you love to hear about growing your brand, growing your business, growing your social media, and most importantly, becoming a better you. Let's jump into this video. All right, guys, number one, you have to know that starting is the most important thing. I said that last time. Just start. You need to start. But when I say start this time, I'm going to actually be telling you that whatever you start with is a start. Note to yourself that your first video is going to probably be crap. Point to you. If you start off with a great video, you're gonna have to continue doing that. I was speaking to my brother-in-law over Emancipation Weekend. Yes, Emancipation Day, the 1st of August here in Jamaica, and so we were in St. Mary for the weekend, and we were talking about his channel. He was saying, "Oh, he started with such a great video, and now when it is time." He started with such a great video. Now, when it is time for him to do his other videos, he feels as if he can't meet up to the test, and he think that he put too much in the first video, etc., etc. Honey, don't overthink it. Start. Start at where you are comfortable and start at what you know you can keep up with and get better with. Because if you start great, you're going to have to continue great. Because people want to come to your channel and see you grow. If I come and see an awesome video, I want to see the videos get better. I don't want to see it crashing down. Yeah, you don't want to start high and then you fall down. And so when you fall down, the attention span of your viewers fall down with it. So sweetie, start at a comfortable space and grow. That's my advice. The second thing, guys, is you want to share your channel. Now, when you take, all right. So when you buy new shoes, new clothes, new jewelry, you get your makeup done by, a big makeup artist, you get your hair did, you get some, lace front wig, and you get nice things. You share, right? You share others people's business. Oh, I got this done here, and I got this done here, and you're influential, and blah, blah, blah. That's the same or better energy you want to put in your own business. You want to put this same energy or better in your own brand. You want to share because your YouTube channel is a business, it is a brand. This is how you look at it. Right? You want to share it with others. Share your channel. Share it on any social media site you're on. Put it in your bio. Put it on Linktree. Put it in something else. Put it on your Insta bio. Put it on Facebook. Put it here, there, everywhere. If you share a little piece of a video, put it at the end. Share, share, share. Share it with your mama. Share it with your papa. Share it with your sister, brother, uncle, everybody. Share. Just keep sharing it. You want to share it with everybody. No skip out nobody. Yeah, they're gonna be tired of you, but guess what? When other brands are out there, big brands, KFC, Pepsi, Mac, Samsung, all of these things, when they're out there, there are ads keep popping up for these people here, there, everywhere. So you want to be like those. You want to use up social media as much as you can and share your ads everywhere. Yeah? Yeah. Sweetheart, number three, you want to have a niche. Some of you say a niche, you know. You want to have a brand focus. You want to have a big, what is your channel about? I know you have some people that love to say, oh, my channel is about everything. It's about little of this, little of that, little of whatever. Yeah, some people can pull that off, especially if it is just a channel for fun. But if it's a channel for business, sweetie, you don't want to focus on everything. You can't please everybody. You can't focus on everybody. You can't focus on everybody. It does not matter what you want to say. You are going to have to find a brand focus. You're going to have to find a focus for your video. So if you are say you're into dairy, right? And you want to do videos on dairy. It's just an example. I am just using an example. It's the first thing that comes to my mind. Don't ask me why it comes to my mind. I really, really don't know. But say you are focusing on dairy, right? And dairy consists of the milk itself, cheese, ice cream, yogurt, everything. But you really know how to make great yogurt, and people love to see all kind of different flavors and ways you can use yogurt, things you can use yogurt on, things you can use yogurt in, uh, different methods of making yogurt, stuff like that, right? You would want to give that a focus. You would want to give that a focus. You want to add ice cream to that, fine. So you can do the difference between ice cream and yogurt and the benefits and the taste and stuff like that. It's just an example, guys. Don't bother quote me and come talk about what's unhealthy and a bag of crap. I'm just giving an example. You want to focus there. You want to focus on lighting things for your brand. You don't want to be talking about yogurt for 5, 6 videos and then suddenly you're talking about cheese. Why? Isn't this channel about yogurt? Why are you talking about cheese? Didn't you name this channel Tamoy's Yogurt? Why is Tamoy's Yogurt talking about cheese? This is how you lose your viewers. Like, an associate of mine asked me the other day why I have everything so all over the place everywhere. And I said to her that clients get confused when you have everything one place. Some people are not interested in my personal life. So I have a personal brand. I have a personal Instagram and I have a personal YouTube. That's about lifestyle and DIY and stuff like that, right? And then I have this, I have Tomo 87, that's about branding and marketing and growth and social media. So when you come here, you don't expect to see anything about my vlogging and my personal life. You don't expect to see what I ate for dinner. You don't expect to see what I woke up in this morning or how trashy my hair looked this morning. And as I say, hair, look at mm, my hair. It's going on with a lot of things, but that's not the focus. All right. Yeah. See, like that? Distraction, confusion. You don't want to be focusing there. You don't want to be focusing there. That's not where you want to focus. You want to be focusing on this channel when you come on here. It's a marketing channel, it's a growth channel, it's a branding channel. We want to see marketing, growth, and branding. Right? You go on the other personal channel, you don't want to be over there looking for funny videos and reaction videos, and then boom, all of a sudden, when you look up on that channel, you see stuff talking about this is the way you need to put this into that to get to here and that level. That's not what you want to see. You came on there to see funny reaction videos. You didn't come on there to see how to grow a business. You might not even own a business. Not everybody wants to be a business owner. Some people just want to have nothing to worry about, go to work, make that money, come home back, throw work out the door. That's what some people want to do. Not everybody wants to be an entrepreneur, right? So some people don't want to come on your channel and see anything about being an entrepreneur. I'm not an entrepreneur. I came on here to see how best I could laugh today. How best we could have fastened your business if you had do some story time. How best I can do some DIY natural stuff for my body, natural elements, blah 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 blah. So yeah, you need to have a niche. You need to have a focus. When you're thinking about your niche, you want to forget really. All right, there is niche for brand and business growth, and there is niche for personal growth and the whole personal thing. Now, what does your audience want to see? And when you're thinking about YouTube, that's what you need to think about. What does my audience want to see? Because that is more important than what you are able to do, right? I am a nurse. People don't want to see things about, they don't want another video that is telling them about, what to take, what not to take, what to take. They probably want a video that's going to tell you the different ways to dress as a nurse, different nursing hairstyles, different nursing outfits, different type of things nurses wear here, there, and everywhere. How and nurse fashion. So maybe you can look into that. I'm a nurse. What kind of YouTube videos can I do? Nursing fashion. It can work. I'll show you another thing, and I'm gonna end this video with this. I think this is number 4. Engage with your audience, please. And when I say engage with your audience, reply to comments. When you are a young and new YouTuber or any social media site that you're on, for the matter of fact, but we're focusing on YouTube now. When you are new, right? You should do it. You should strive to do this at all times. But when you get older, when you get more into the thing, you have more subscribers, you have more people commenting. You can't answer every single one. You just really can't. But when you just started, you want to engage with people. You want to like comments. You want to genuinely answer them. You want to spend some time to respond to people. You want to choose a certain time of the day that you actually check on YouTube comments. And as I say that, I'm going to encourage you guys to download the app, YouTube Studio. But you can see your views there, your growth, your subscribers, comments, likes, all of those nice things there. You can check out your video analytics in YouTube Studio. I will explain more about analytics some other time as we grow, because that's very important as well. As a matter of fact, stay tuned for my next video. My next video will be about learning about video analytics, YouTube analytics, and stuff like that. The whole YouTube algorithm and the niceness there, because I know you're interested to know more about that. But download YouTube Studio. It will help you to see these things faster than if you were just on YouTube checking out the video, checking in the comment section, searching for. What YouTube Studio actually does is show you the most recent comments. So you will know if you've seen the comment before, if you've responded to it or not. And it shows you how many views the video got. It shows you if you've gotten more subscribers and stuff like that. So yeah, it will help you to engage. It will help you to engage with your viewers, your subscribers, way better. Now, thank you guys for sitting around listening to me babbling, chatting. Yeah, but no, me chat too much. I didn't want this video to be long, but I realized that it's long. I'm sorry. I hope you learned something. And yeah, if you like this content, remember to like. Remember to share with somebody who is new as well to YouTube, or somebody who just wants to grow. Now, guys, thank you. Thank you so much for helping me to reach 100 subscribers. I'm at 100 subscribers now, and yeah, it feels good to finally be at 100. Now, take me to 1,000 by subscribing, please. Take me to 1,000 by subscribing, and we will look more into growing YouTube next Thursday. Bye bye.